of the biggest 90s bands is headed to the islands.
Woo-hoo! Yeah, we got to sit down and talk to one of the members. Check it out. A multi-platinum and multi-award-winning vocal group 98 Degrees is back in Hawaii, and this time they're sharing their music to help restore the heart of Maui after the devastating August wildfires. And joining us is promoter Ann Lee and Nick Lachey with a 98 Degrees, and I'm totally fangirling right now because I have been a big fan of 98 Degrees for like decades, and like everybody else, of course. I have you guys on my playlist, and thank you folks for joining us. Thank you, Ann, for everything you have done. And Nick, welcome back to Hawaii.
Thank you so much. Good to be here.
So the people of Maui, after the wildfires, they're still reeling from the August wildfires, and they're looking forward to healing and recovering. How will this benefit concert that you folks are putting on help the people of Maui?
Well, the wonderful thing is that this band, 98 Degrees, they are not having us pay a fee for them to perform, and they want the ticket sales generated from the concert to go to benefit the restoration of Maui. Jeff Timmons, the founder of 98 Degrees, was looking at a project on restoring different types of historical buildings, and Waiola Church was one of the churches that he was looking at, working with. And then the fires happened, and then Nick and Vanessa Lachey make Honolulu their home, and they wanted to really give back to the community and do something for Maui, and that's how the benefit concert was born.
How beautiful. Chicken skin. And 98 Degrees is coming back to Hawaii. What is the group's history with the people of Hawaii?
Well, thankfully, it's a long history. I think Hawaii was one of the first places that we broke as a band in 1997 with Invisible Man, our first single, and I remember coming here for the first time and just feeling like an absolute rock star because the people here were so incredibly excited and welcoming, and as Ann mentioned, Vanessa and I and our three kids, we've called Hawaii home for almost 3 years now. So when you're a part of a community and a community like this that's welcomed us with open arms, and something tragic like the fires in Maui happened, you wonder, how can we give back? How can we be a part of the healing process? And we thought, why not put on a concert with 98 Degrees in a place that's very special to the band, very special to us personally as a family, and try and raise some money and be a part of that healing process. You'll never be able to replace what was lost there and that day. It was tragic, obviously, but to be a part of the healing process is something that we were excited to be a part of, and this opportunity came up for the concert, and we're excited to be back.
Yeah, and you and your wife and your children have made Hawaii your home. How does it feel to give back to the people of Hawaii?
I mean, I can't emphasize enough how gracious the people here have been to us and welcoming us, whether it's in schools or whether it's out and about, in the city and through the islands. So to be able to give back in some small part, in some small way, feels very, very good. And look, it's always great to be here regardless. I remember one of the last concerts we played as a band before COVID was right here at the Blaisdell, on Valentine's Day 2020. So it was a special night for us and the opportunity to be back, but this time to do something that's really, really, really meaningful for the islands is very, very special to us.
Oh, so heartfelt. And Annie, it's not only just 98 Degrees that's going to be on stage. You're also going to be bringing together local artists.
Yes.
Who's expected in the lineup?
So we have Crossing Rain, we have Tavana, we have Kalanaku, we have Kalai Camarillo. He wrote a song, Sands of Lahaina, after the tragic fires, because he is a Maui boy. So we do, and those artists are also graciously donating their time as well. So this is really, truly something from the heart, restoration of the heart of Maui.
Yeah, and Nick, what can people expect on April 6th?
Well, first of all those acts are going to set the bar high before we even hit the stage. So we're going to have to bring our A game. But no, we kind of redid our show this past fall. We were out on the mainland. We did probably 20 shows. So we're excited to bring that new show here to Hawaii, and and we try to bring it every time. I mean, obviously we're known for our ballads. We're known for our love songs.
Oh yes.
That's kind of our bread and butter, and we're going to bring it that night. Don't worry. But we also have a good time. We have a little party, and I think everyone's going to really enjoy the show. So
I'm so excited. So Annie, where can people get their tickets?
So Blaisdell box office. You can go on 98degreesconcert.com. You can also go to any of the 98 Degrees social media channels or their website, and Ticketmaster, of course.
Mahalo nui loa. Thank you, Annie. Thank you, Nick, for joining us on 98 Degrees. We are going to be having a wonderful time. Their benefit concert to restore the heart of Maui. So check them out on April 6th at the new Blaisdell Arena.
Wow, that was awesome,
I'm
Mele.
still blushing.
I saw you hand him, like, slip him one piece of paper. What was that? What was on that paper?
My phone number.
Oh, for MC, right? For
Yes,
For
for MC.
MC. No, they actually asked us to MC. But we have Mary Monarch.
Oh, I was going to get my voice ready. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome. No, but thank you so much to 98 Degrees for doing such a wonderful thing for our Maui community. Of course, we were talking about it because actually Vanessa is on NCIS.
NCIS, Hawaii, yes.
Hawaii, and they just added LL Cool J. I don't know if
Yes.
he's like, just kind of doing a crossover because he's in the LA one.
Hey, so who knows? LL Cool J just might pop up on stage.
Oh my God.
Breathe. You have to breathe.
Hello, Cool J in English.